Guy. Doctor, my girlfriend is pregnant, but we always use protection, and the rubber never broke. How is it possible? Doctor, let me tell you a story. There was once a hunter who always carried a gun wherever he went. One day, he took out his umbrella instead of his gun and went out. A lion suddenly jumped in front of him. In order to scare the lion, the hunter used the umbrella like a gun and shot the lion. Then it died. Guy. Nonsense. Someone else must have shot the lion. Doctor. Good. You understood the story. Next patient, please.